Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 21 to 24. X Sudoku or diagonal Sudoku. Column F and fourth row we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come. These cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Sixth row we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column D we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th grade. Only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th row and 6th row. Then in this class we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come. These cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 4. In this class we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 9. 4th row and 5th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. Column A we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th grade. Column A we have pair numbers 8 and 9. Then in this class 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 7th row and 3rd row we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then in this class only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. Column G we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column A, column C and 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then in this class only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then in this class only 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 3. 7th row, column H we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. In this class only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. Column G we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 4. 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Column H also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade. 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. Column A and 9th row we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th grade. Only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. Column E we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then in column F, 3 numbers are remaining: 6, 7, 5. 8th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column F, only one numbers remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. Column D, we got 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, it will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. First grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Second row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 4. Column A, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Third row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column A, only 1 numbers remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Column B and 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 4th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th grade and 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column H, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G and 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. First row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third row, only 1 numbers remaining, 1, 1 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First row and second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column E, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.